Buddy, Hurricane Sally just made landfall in Alabama, Category 2. Sustained winds of 105 with higher gusts. I'm not quite sure about the storm surge, but I think what we're going to hear from this storm is rainfall. And they are predicting up to 35 inches of rain in some areas of Alabama and Florida, western Florida, for the whole event. This will lead to catastrophic flooding. So it's going to be a very slow moving. It is a very slow moving storm, and that leads to these really high rainfall totals. We'll be giving you an update on that in the next couple days. Today I wanted to talk about barrier islands, and these are like deltas. These are some of the most fragile systems in the Earth, geomorphological systems in the Earth. And this Landsat image here shows Cape Hatteras. You can see the long, elongated island here with the beach on the ocean side, and then this is the estuary in the back, and then these are these tidal inlets in here. And then on this side you find marsh. You can also find marsh on this side of the barrier island. And this is indicated nicely in this cross section here with the main barrier island, the back barrier here with marsh, the intercoastal waterway or the estuary in here, and then the marsh over here. And then this is the tidal inlet. Okay, so these are extremely fragile systems. You can just see how narrow this thing is here and how narrow this piece of land is here. And they are constantly moving over historical time periods. Most geological features move over what we would say geological time scales over millennia, but barrier islands move much faster than that. And this nice diagram down here of Assateague Island in Maryland, you can see the location of the shore face. In 1849, it was right here. In 1980, it was here. And look where it is today. So Assateague Island has moved drastically towards the land, okay, towards the west. And that's how basically barrier islands move, partly as a result of sea level rise. Okay, and you can see this diagram here. This barrier island will move in this direction, and Hatteras is moving in this direction here. And one of the coolest things about the way barrier islands move is the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, which was built in 1870, 1,500 feet from the shoreline. By 1999, the lighthouse was only 120 feet from the shore. This is basically its position here. You can see the lighthouse, and then you can see the shore face. And it got so close to the shore that it was threatened by storms and by this process of island migration, obviously. So what they had to do was to engineer it, pick it up, and move it back from the shore face. And that happened in 1999. They picked the whole lighthouse up. You can see that here. And then they moved it back away from the shore face, several more 100 feet away, so that its position is no longer threatened by coastal erosion. All right, so that's it on barrier islands. Very cool systems, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.